In this video, I'm going to show you how to force close apps on your MacBook. Now, this can be really useful if one of your applications is frozen or not responding, then we can go and force close the app manually. Now, to do this on a Windows computer, obviously you can press Ctrl-Alt-Delete, but on a MacBook computer, we need to hold down the following keys on our keyboard. So you need to hold down the Option key, the Command key, and also the Escape key at the same time. And then once you press those buttons, you'll get this window pop up that says force close applications. You can then just go and select the application that you want to quit out of, and once you've selected it, you can just press force quit in the bottom navigation. You could then just close out of this dialog box, and that should have now solved your issue. If you're still having an issue and your MacBook is still frozen, then you can just go and hold the power button down for around about 15 seconds. This will completely shut down and turn off your computer, and when you go to restart it, it should be working as intended. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.